Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, good morning. It's afternoon, children, not morning.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. Adi, you are not sending your computer work, beta. I have given you D. Work submission. Please send your computer work of page number 64, 65, 66. And assignment. Adi, are you listening to me? Say yes or no. Who has come with the name of Nanlal? I'm not teaching any Nanlal. Kindly change your name. What's your name? Nanlal? Tell your name. Otherwise, you will be marked absent. Tell your name. Unmute yourself. Adi, open your camera. Adi, open your camera, beta. Open. Open your camera fast. Firdyan, you did not send me your page number 64, 65, 66. Kashvi, I did not get your work also. Assignment you did not send. I have marked C and D. I have given C and D to these children, those who did not send me the assignment and work. Kashvi Srivastava, I did not get your work. No, but
Ma'am,
I haven't got.
Ma'am, ma'am, you can check your mail. I have given you.
Beta, I
Ma'am,
haven't
but
got. Yes.
today ma'am, but I've given you today.
Send it today, otherwise I will mark. Because before.
No, ma'am, I have given you. Ma'am, I have given you my
How
assignment.
can I say, beta, I did not get? That is why I am telling na. Yesterday only when I was filling the grades, then I saw last time. I checked once more if any child has sent. Please send. Otherwise you will get D
Okay,
marks.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Kashvi, you are sending always regular, but this time you did not send. You did not send your work of 10th, 21st, 10th November, 21st November, 18th November, 18th December. You did not send.
Ma'am, me?
Yes.
Ma'am, I have sent all the work.
No, I haven't got. So please,
Ma'am,
that is
Ma'am, I have given my all the work 64, 65, and 66 page
okay,
number
resend
work.
it. Koi baat nahi, resend it. Who
Okay,
is this with Nandlal name? Please tell your name. Open your audio. Open your audio. Avishi, you did not send me any computer work. Avishi. Avishi, you did not send me your computer work, beta. Why?
Ma'am, I have done.
Huh?
Ma'am, I have done this.
What?
I will, ma'am, the
But you
work.
did not send. You have done, it's fine, but you did not send. Just now we have
Ma'am,
got
I will
14
send it after
participants.
this.
Huh? Okay. Let others also come join us. Avni Yadav. She sent me all the work.
वो फिर से assignment फिर से भेज दी।
Huh? Yes. Shreyas, you did not send me your assignment, beta. Come on fast. Those who did not give, please send, okay? Those who have not opened the camera, please open. Let me see you.
Ma'am, I have sent my work right now.
Okay, very good. Raghav,
Yes, ma'am.
you also did not send me your computer work.
Ma'am, I'll send you today only.
Today, yes, where while revising, you just please send your computer work.
Yes, ma'am.
Be regular with your work. So many reminders I have given, but you did not send. Okay, so I'm going to start. 1 minute is left. Let me wait for 1-2 more minutes. Then I'll start my work. "19 participants have come. Apur Tiwari, you also send your computer work. Open your camera, let me see. Apurv,
Yes, ma'am.
you also did not send me your computer work. Please send your computer work today only. Pay number 64, 65, 66. An assignment also you did not send. How do you do practice? When you do practice today, then please send, okay? Okay, children. So before we start, it's now 1-1. Before we start, we have to close our eyes for 2 minutes and observe 2 minutes silence to pray for the peace within and outside, and also pray for everyone's well-being. Okay, children, open your eyes. Let's get started. Children, as you know, we are doing chapter 5, PowerPoint presentation software and special effects. So in this chapter, children, we have learned how to create PowerPoint presentation. Basically, in this chapter, we have learned about different shortcut keys, and also we have learned about how to insert word art, text box, different themes, how to use pre-designed themes, how to get different type of alignments, vertical alignment, horizontal alignment, and we have also learned about how to insert pictures through the clip art and through the option picture also. So now let us revise. I'm going to open my PowerPoint. If you have any questions, then you can ask. Okay, first let me try to do, and if you have any question, then you can ask in the last only. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen and then I open PowerPoint presentation. So are you able to see, children? Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
see, children,
Yes,
here.
ma'am.
When you open the PowerPoint presentation, you always get this by default slide, that is title slide. This slide is called title slide. It is an introductory slide. And in this layout, you will get these two placeholders. These boxes, these hatchet box are called placeholders, where you can add your text, picture, video, anything you can add in this. Okay, so just now, because I don't want this title slide, so I want to change my screen layout into different layout, so that I have to choose the home tab, layout button, and there I have a 9 types of slides layout. So I'll choose blank. Okay, so here when I choose this blank, now I don't have any placeholder to type in. Okay, so what I do, I will choose the, if I want to type something, so obviously I will take a text box. So where do I get the text box? I have to go to insert, and then I will choose this text box from here, from the option text box. Now here I'll type something related to the topic. So I'm going to make a presentation on Christmas. So I'm just joining other students also. So just wait, children. Okay, so what do? I will type here Happy Christmas. It is related to our coming festival. Okay, so you can see just simple text has come on the screen. Okay, so with the help of text box, we can enter any text. Okay, anywhere in the slide where you want to insert. On the top of the any picture also you can insert the text with the help of text box. Okay, now if you want to increase the size of the text, how can you do it? So in this chapter we have learned about 2 shortcut keys, that is Control Shift and greater than sign. When we press, then we get the text in little big size. So for any formatting effect, you need to select the text first. So I will select the text, press the shortcut key Control Shift and greater than sign, and then just keep on pressing until unless I will not get my desired size. So this is my desired size, so I will stop it. Okay, so this way, Happy Christmas I have written. If I want, suppose I feel that this size is little big, I want to decrease its size. So simply what I do, I'll just select the text, and then again I will use the shortcut key Control Shift and less than sign. And then I will press together all these 3 keys together, and then I will get the desired result, whatever I feel like. Okay, so this is the shortcut key. Same thing you can do with the help of some icon also. How? There is the icon here, increase font size. Suppose I want to increase the size. So simply I click on this A and you can see big A here. Alphabet A is written. So you just click on this button, you will see your text size is increasing. Now if you want to decrease, keep on pressing until unless you will get your desired result. So this way I want to stop it here. So this way you can increase or decrease the font size and you can apply the text box. Now thing is, I want to make this text little more stylish. So how can I do it? Simply everyone knows. Yes, Apurv, can you tell me? With the help of what? Which option will help me to make it more stylish, artistic, special?
Word art.
Word art. So simply because I have written this with the help of text box, but later on I find I must use it some little artistic. So what I do, I'll go to insert and then choose the word art option. Word art option from here, and then I will choose any artistic design from here. This is a word style window. So let me take this because Christmas is all about red color. So I'll choose this. So you can see the text box has come here. Okay. So this way I can type Happy Christmas here, but already I've typed. So what I can do, simply what I can do is just delete this text box
Ma'am,
and simply I select this text. I select this text and go to insert and say word art and choose this text. So you can see this is taken, means it has copied same text from the
ma'am,
text box. Yes, Hridayan, tell.
ma'am, when we use the word art feature, the new tab appears.
Yes,
Which is
then
a
the new
format.
tab appears and it is called format tab. Okay, so now whatever changes, now suppose you are not satisfied with this option, the color and design which has come, so you have an option that it's not a final. You can make changes according to yourself. Like suppose this, I don't want this white outline. So what I can do, simply I select the text and go to shape outline here. Sorry, shape is recording that this text outline. I want to make a text outline. So what I can do, just I'll choose it and make it purple. Okay, so your dark color. So you can see the some purple shade has come here. I'll make it big, then you can see. Okay, if you don't want shadow, so you can remove the shadow from here. So you can just go to shape outline and just say no outline also here.
Ma'am, I can't see your screen.
Why? Others are able to see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I can't.
Ma'am, we are able to see.
Yes, ma'am.
Then beta, it's your problem, beta. You are not able to see my screen. Huh? Because other
Ma'am, I am
children are able to see. Okay, so this way, children, sorry, undo, by mistake I have done this. Okay, so now I select it and say small in size. So this way I can make my text. Now if I want to transform this text into some style, so simply I select this text and then go to format tab and then say text effect and say transform, and then you can see many styles have appeared, like this, like this, like this. So whichever you want, you can choose. So this, I think this is better, so I'll take this one. So this way you can give a stylish look to your simple text. See this, in the text box the text is becoming very simple, but here it is coming little more stylish. Now, if you want to make a duplicate slide, now before making a duplicate slide, let me insert clip art. I want to insert a Christmas tree over here. So what I can do, simply I'll go to insert tab, images
art.
group, and say clip art. Okay, so because a clip art is a predefined gallery with with limited pictures, but if you are online, when your computer system is connected to the net, then it gives many options. Okay, so just I'll click it, and then here I'll write Christmas tree is already written. So I'll say go and try to find some Christmas tree from here. Christmas tree, suppose I'll choose this one. Okay, so you can see my Christmas tree has come like this. Two already. Now I'll close this. Let me close. 2 times I press, so it has come 2 times. So you can see the picture has come, and now you can.
I can't see your screen.
Beta, it is your problem. Who is speaking this? Who is telling me?
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am, can see.
Everyone can see, beta. Just check your device.
We can see.
Others are able to see now?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh, so,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so this way, children, you can see, you can insert a Christmas tree in your slide. Now, if you want to send, you can see this is hiding this text. So you can even send the picture to the backward. So you can say, just click on this option in the format only, you can get send backward. Okay, so you can see the text is coming up and the picture has gone little back to it. Okay, so this way these options you can use. Now I want to make a duplicate slide. Duplicate means same thing will come again. So Control plus D. Okay, so you can see this sound has come. Why? Because my pointer is on this working area in the normal text areas. You have to bring your pointer here in the slide tab, and then you click Control plus D. So the duplicate slide will appear. Control D is the shortcut key to create a duplicate slide. Even you can press this shortcut menu, right click, and you can choose from here also duplicate slide. Okay, but your shortcut key you should learn. Okay, now I want to insert one new slide. So for new slide, I can use this new slide button also and Control plus M. So this way I can insert a new slide which is not duplicating the same slide, the previous slide. Okay, so this way if I want to bring the slide down, simply I drag it down like this. Just press your left mouse button and bring it down this way. Okay, or you want to bring it top, so you just simply drag like this. So this sequence can be changed. You can change the sequence here also. Now here I want to use some different layout. Now I'm going to change the layout and I'm taking title only. So here I'm going to write celebration. So this is a very simple text is coming. Now if I apply some theme, so automatically it gets changed. Theme is, children, what theme is means predefined theme. Like suppose I invite you for party in a school. Okay, so what do you do? The Christmas party is there. So what children do? Children bring every eatables. They dress up in like a Santa. They bring Santa cap, right? Very less options in the school, but you go outside for the party, so you see the host also organize everything related to the Christmas party. Plum cakes, candles, stars, red color, gifts also they decorate. So that is called design, pre-designed. Okay, so here theme means you have to choose the theme. The pre-designed themes are available in the PowerPoint, so you can choose any of the theme from here, and that you can see it will take here. See, can you see the change? Though I had applied the red color, but it automatically changes into the blue color. Now if I'll change this theme, I'll take this theme. So you can see the background has come this way, and the text is also going outside. The text style has also changed. So means everything has been changed into the predefined theme. So you can, if you wish, you can apply the theme. Otherwise you can create your own also. Okay, so now I don't want, so I just say undo, undo, undo whatever I have done. I'll say undo this also, right? So this way, if you try, now I'll take some simple design. So I'll take this one. So this celebration has appeared here. If I want to increase its size now, I can increase it very easily. Go to home and take a increase button, this size, and do it like this. If I want to bring it on the top, I can bring it on the top. It's up to you. You can do anything. Now, if I want to write something here in this text box only, then I can increase here, or I want to add some extra text, so I can use the text box again here. So just now I'm going to write, let us enjoy the party and have fun. Okay, so suppose I'll just do it like this. Now you want to, you can see it is coming left aligned. Now you want to increase its size. First you increase its size. Okay, now you want to bring it in center. This is called horizontal alignment. So that has come in horizontal way.
Control plus E.
So control plus P is for print. Okay, this is come in center. Control plus E is center. Now if you want to make it right, click on right, or justify, so justify. So center, I think this better. Okay, so this way you can write like this. Now if you want more space between these lines, vertical alignment, vertical space you need more, means this space you need more. So you go to home tab and choose this line alignment and choose from here. Say I say 2 points, so I can take a 2 points here this way. Okay, so line spacing you can create. Same thing is you have already done in your word processor. Okay, so everything is same here. Now suppose children, can you see this celebration is coming little in this side, so you can adjust. If you are not having an exact idea where is your text, so either you can drag it or you can do it with arrange. Go to arrange and say align, and say align left, center, right, top, middle, bottom. There are many options. So suppose I say align center, so exactly it will come in the center. Okay, now there is the other alignment also, children. Now let me decrease its size, space between it. Now you have a vertical alignment also. What is a vertical alignment? Just select the text, select the text. Here is the align text, and you can align your text in the text box at the top. So already it is in the top. You say middle, so it will, because it's already adjusted like this. So let me increase its size, then you can see. Let me make it 1. Okay, now you just see what happens. So you say middle, so already it is in middle. Now you say bottom, so it will come, it is inside the box, that is why it is coming like this way. So you can use this option here from the top, middle, bottom. Okay, now I'll show you this same thing in the shape, how it works. So insert shapes. Let me choose any shape, then you can find it very well. Let me say I'll take this cloud. Okay, now I will edit text. I will write something here. Same text I will write here. Let us enjoy the party and have fun. Okay, so now you can see, children, I select this text and then go to home and then say middle. So it will, it is already in middle. So if you say bottom, it is shifting. Now can you get it? How it is shifting? Now you say top, so it will go in the top. Okay. Okay. Now there are many other options. You can change it from here. Top center, bottom, but in the center. So this way you can adjust your text in the shape also. So there means this vertical alignment helps you in inside the shape if you want to set any text. Now I wanted it in the middle, so I'll just say middle. So it will come in the middle. Okay. So this way you can insert the shape. If you want to change the color of the shape, you can change the color of the shape. If you want to increase the size of the text, you can increase the size of the text. Okay. Same way, if you want to change the outline of your shape, then you can say outline, no outline. Even you can say no outline also. So this way it will come without outline. I hope, children, one more thing is left. If you want to, let me insert one more slide. Now, if you want to create your own background, so you can do it with the format background. You go to design tab, say format style, and choose any of the style from here. If you are not satisfied with this, then you can go to format background, and then you can see solid color, gradient fill, picture texture fill, pattern fill, or hide background. There are many options. So if you say this type, and then you get texture fill, so you can choose from here this way. And if you say apply to all, then it will apply in all. But you don't want to apply in all each and every slide. Just in the second application based question, it was there, na? You want all 6 slides in different color. So you can use and say close. So you can see only the second number slide has been changed. Rest of the having the theme. Understood? So the format background helps. Okay. So this way, children, you can insert your slide. And now, again, I'm going to insert one more slide here in between this. So wherever you want to insert this, you press the Ctrl+M. And you see, now the one more slide has come. Now here I want to insert, I'm going to show you about picture. Suppose I want to insert my picture, or I want to take a picture from some camera or online picture I need. So what I do, I'll just go to say insert and say picture. Okay. If I have a picture on my desktop, then I can take it very easily. See, here I have a Christmas tree, so I can insert it like this. Okay. So this way I can insert my picture very easily. So children, you can see this picture is having a background. If you want to remove the background, how can you do it? Yash, why are you hiding your this? Putting a hand? Huh? So there is an option here, children, in the format tab only, remove background. So you choose this remove background, and you can see this pink color has come. So it says discard all changes. Means if you don't want, then you can say discard all changes. If you want to do, then you just say mark areas to remove. So I want to mark the areas. So just simply I click my cursor wherever I want to remove. This is a work of little patience. So you have to be little patience and do your work neatly to remove the background. Okay, so this way you just click, whatever you want to remove, and then click this way. Okay, and say delete, keep changes. So there you can see the background has been removed. So this way you can remove the background of any picture. Okay, if you require it, like this. Sometimes we need like this. Okay, so you can delete it very easily. Or other thing, what is left? Let me see your book. Flipping means to create a mirror image. Flipping means to create a mirror image, means if you have any image and you want to flip, then you just use the flipping from your shapes gallery. Suppose I'll take some shape here. Let me take this shape. Okay, so now how can you flip your picture? Just go to format and then rotate and say flip vertical, horizontal, as you do in paint also, no? So this way you can rotate 90-degree, rotate this way, so you can do it like this. Okay, okay. Now, so we have done vertical alignment, horizontal alignment, applying themes and choosing the color scheme, background color, inserting text box, inserting word art, inserting clip art, inserting pictures, chart. So how we can create a chart? So children, I am going to create a chart. So again, I am going to take a new slide. So here I am going to insert the chart. Go on insert and say chart. So as soon as you open the chart, you will get this dialog box. Automatically it is on column tab, column chart, and then you will get this by default. First is selected for you, and then you say okay. So as soon as you say okay, this Excel sheet will come, and here you can fill your own data. Suppose here I am going to fill my data. I am going to fill the data like this. I say May, June, July, August. Okay, so these are the 4 months when I have the, and here this series I will change as a let me delete it. I'll type here week 1. Then here I will write week 2. And then here I'll write week 3. Okay, so this way I want to show from this bar how many students were present in my live class in these 3 weeks. Okay, so in May, suppose only 34 students were there in the week 1, then 43, and in the week 3, 45 students were there. So you can see in my chart here, May is coming and the bar is coming. So bar shows key in May, and you can see the color. Week 1 is representing blue color. Week 2 is in the light blue, and week 3 is in the light green color.
Green.
Okay, so this way you can see. Let me delete all this data. And now I fill mine own. So can you see the bar is appearing? As soon as I make
Yes,
any change, it will come here automatically. Okay. So you can try from any of the book or from the newspaper, you take any chart, fill the data and try to make it with your own. So this way you can see, you can create the chart very easily. If you want to change its style, this is the column chart. If you want to make a pie chart, you can easily make a pie chart. Say, okay, any style you can choose from the pie chart. There are many styles. If you want to make a line chart, you just simply make a line chart of it. If you want to make some other chart like this chart you are choosing, then you can see the symbols. Same thing is coming in this way, 10%, 80%, it is showing in the percent. It depends upon your data, in what type of data you are taking and you want to show. So I hope children, this is clear to you. So I will
Yes, ma'am.
stop sharing my screen. And if you have any doubts, you can ask.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, tomorrow we will have the test on
Subjective
laptop.
test, you have a subjective test of 20 marks. 10 marks for your comprehension and analysis, and 10 marks is for your application based questions. Okay, and and you will get 5 questions in each section. Okay, so you have to write the answer, and many children, when they have to give their answer as a true and false, they write only true and false. So this is only, you will get 1 marks. You have to give reason why it is true and why it is false. Understand? You have to give reason. If it is true, then why it is true, and if it is false, then why it is false. Okay, so this way you have to tell. And children, let me take your attendance fast. Where is my pencil gone? Yes, Adya is there. Adya Agarwal is
Present,
there.
ma'am. Present,
Ishita
ma'am.
is there. Ishita Agarwal is there. Rahat. Anav Anroop. Anav is there.
Ma'am,
Anav is
ma'am,
there.
tomorrow the paper will come application based.
Both comprehension analysis and application, both. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And Arya Anupam is there. Arya Anupam. Hridayam Dikshit is there. Dakshesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Dakshesh is there. Shivansh, Dikshesh, you did not send me your work. You have got D in work submission. Please send your computer work. Just now I have revised the fill in the blanks with you, na, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Fill in the blanks and true and false I have revised with you, na?
Yes.
Kashvi, did I revise?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
everyone
Yes,
is
ma'am.
having all the work, so please send it, okay? Then Anushri Divedi, she's not there. Santusht, he never comes. Okay, Arav Joshi is there. Arav, Yadav is here, Joshi is not there. Shrahast Koshadan,
Present, ma'am.
Krishna,
Ma'am, can we leave?
Krishna, whose name I have taken, they can leave. Krishna, if you have any doubt, you can ask.
Ma'am, I have.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, but it is not related to the chapter coming.
So what? It is related what?
Ma'am, I want to ask that, ma'am, how can we edit a video on the computer?
So that I'll take another. Video is a big topic, so I'll tell you later. Or you can call me after some time in your free time, okay?
Okay.
Right? Okay. Yash Mitra,
Present, ma'am.
Rajveer, Rudransh Pal.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ved,
Bye, ma'am. Good day, ma'am.
good day, beta. Do well. Ved is there? No. Molly, Mitanshi, Vaidik Rastogi, Raghav, send your work, beta.
Present,
Anand,
Have you marked my attendance?
whose?
I'm
Whose?
Anand Srinath.
I've marked. You can leave. Avishi, you can leave. Darsh.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Athar Pratap Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Shauri Pratap Singh. Athar, you did not send me your computer work. Please send it. Shauri Pratap Singh. Shahastra, you also. Ashi is there? No, Ashi is not there. Saksham, Samarth, Pankudi Tandon, Parth Taneja, Apur Tiwari, leave.
Present.
Shubh Tiwari has not joined today, I think. Tanishi, you can leave, beta. Raghavendra.
Okay, ma'am. Good day, ma'am. Good day, ma'am.
Raghavendra, You also did send your work, Raghavendra. Understand? When you revise your work, then you please send. What's the problem
Okay,
in
ma'am.
sending? Just taking a click and sending, huh? Arav Yadav, you can leave. Akriti, she did not join. Avni Yadav. Avni Gautam, you can leave, beta. I have marked your attendance. Vishrut. Vishrut. She is not also there. Alana. Alana. Please, rest of you leave. I have taken your attendance. Thank you. Bye.
Mom, you did not took my name.
Whose
Mom,
name?
Arisha.
Arisha, I have
Ma'am,
marked you,
Arisha.
beta. I am looking you. I have taken your name.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
That live.
Bye, ma'am.
यहाँ पर monitor